Today I would like to show you how to replace thermal paste for your laptop. These are the things we need: a screwdriver, some paste, a scraper, some wipes, and a cup. First, you need to make sure that your laptop has been totally turned off. Then you need to remove all screws on the backside of your laptop and open the backplate. After that, we can see the copper tuber above the motherboard, and it also needs to be removed. Clean all the thermal paste on the surface of the CPU, the GPU, and the copper tube. Next, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Remember to not add way too much paste. It may conduct it short things out. Then you need to spread it out with a scraper. Tighten all screws on the copper tube and the backplate. And that's it. We finished. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you next time.